Hello, my beautiful friends. It is so good to be with you again. I know it's been a little while since I recorded a video, but we actually went on vacation at the end of November. And then when we came back, my mother-in-law was visiting me, and we did something with her that inspired me to record this video and do something special for you. So what we did is that I had some stuff on my backyard, which is pretty bulky, heavy stuff that has been piling up and collecting, and things like big, it's pretty big, it's pretty major, heavy, big cat house that my late husband built. And I also have like an old jacuzzi. There was some stuff that kids don't use anymore, like a slide, like a swing, like a tractor. And this stuff has been piling up, sort of. And I know it's there. So it's been kind of draining my energy because I knew that I cannot do it myself because I don't have a big truck or like a big vehicle that I could take it. But she actually was driving a truck and she offered it, and I was like, wow, that would be so great. So what we did, we took all the stuff, and she took some of the stuff to the restore, and all the rest of the stuff we just brought to the recycling center. And the energy that I felt afterwards was so incredible because it was like a big burden off my shoulders. And I remember that it's months of December, and every year I do a cleanup in the house. I call it a detox. And I go through all my areas, all my rooms, all my closet, my clothes, my shoes, my purses, and then the bathroom, all our lady stuff. And then the bedroom, the kitchen, the office, and then of course personal items like our purse, phone, computer. We'll get on the social media, and I clean everything up, and the energy that I feel afterwards, so refreshing. It's so it just feels so amazing. So I decided to do this year a mini course with all of you, and we will do it together. I'll show you how I do that, because what we will do, we will have a conscious cleanup, because we will not just do take the stuff out, we actually will do inner work, which we will set our mind for new beginnings. We will reset our energy, and you will start a new year all refreshed and energized and ready for gifts of life, because that's what happens to me every time I do that. So I decided to do this course, and I set up a super nominal little fee, just because I know that when we invest a little something, we will take it a lot more serious. And that's just for you, because when we do it, when we have an intention, and when we do it consciously, it will bring us a lot more result. So please join me for this. We'll do it together. We'll make it a little fun, and it will be you setting yourself up for new beginnings of the new year. So check out, it's on my website. It's glowingbodyandmind.com. Check out the courses, and I created a coupon code, so it will bring the price even lower. And if you join before the end of the year, you'll be able to save even more. So check it out. I'll leave the coupon code in the description of this video. And the reason it is so important to clean up things is because all the stuff around us, it holds our energy, and we don't even realize that, but that's exactly what happens. So when we go through these items and we clean them up, I'll show you how I do that, because we will actually go through all our areas and consciously decide of why and how. Are we leaving it? Are we keeping it? Why do we need it, and do we need it? So things like that we're gonna do together. It's gonna be fun, and we'll do it getting ready for New Year's and for new beginnings, and you'll feel so energized, so excited because that's what happens to me every time I do that. And I promise you, you'll start getting this gifts of life, you start getting these surprises, you'll have a lot more creativity, a lot more inspiration that will just get burst out of you because you will set everything up for that. And that will be all for today. Leave some comments if you have if you want to share how you do your cleanup, if you do. If you have any questions, I would love to see your feedback. And that's all for today. I will see you soon, hopefully on the course, but if not, in next video.